specialized events. One is the state convention of architecture students from 25 colleges, and they are celebrating for 3 days the earliest 2018 from yesterday night onwards. Another one is the annual day. We are celebrating for the last 3 days. Every day 3 institutions like that. The 10 institutions in this campus are scheduled to celebrate the annual day within these 3 days. Even the boys from the Excel College of Pharmacy and the Excel College of Business School, they have celebrated their annual day yesterday. In spite of their tiredness, they all here to have contact, and they want to have more meeting with the students from pharmacy, students from architecture, and also students from the standalone MBA MCA institutions. My dear friends, today this is the first convention in the state. We conducted exclusively for the benefit of architecture, pharmacy, and standalone MBA MCA institutions. Dr. Ganesan has already informed you that why we want to give more consideration to the small institution or the minority sector. Everywhere, the specialized people always going in a separate track, and they never merge with the mainstream. Further, they always think that we are specialized than others. But in the present society, only if you are working as a team, we can achieve the success. Yesterday, one of the speaker asked a question with the architecture students. She is architect Dr. Binamil Tom, or Binamil Tom, like the pronunciation I am not correct. She asked the students, what is 1 plus 1? Somebody told 2, somebody expected some different answer. And they told in the architect's context, 1 plus 1 is higher than 2. Like that, the team of architects and management graduates, if they are combining together, we can make many special achievements because of the combination of different values and the skills. So we plan to appreciate the students, those who are excelling in the fields of pharmacy, management, and architecture by providing the best chapter student award, and by motivating them, the colleges, those who are deputing the students for receiving this award, even though they are not the members, institution members, or they are not having the students chapter, we have invited most of the colleges, those who are willing to come without any hesitation, because we want to enlarge the membership of Indian Society for Technical Education. Ms. Desai, our ISTE's national president, also hails from Maharashtra. His name is Pratap Singh Desai. In the last few years, we have made many attempts to increase the membership in the engineering and polytechnic sector, and we are the #1 state in the whole of country having more number of members, that is 32,000 members, and also more number of institution members. So, the single largest membership body in the nation. We want to increase the institution membership by motivating the colleges to join the ISTE membership. So the awardees, those who are taking the certificates and awards from the institution, go and meet the principals and show the thing, and the principal will then slowly meet the management, and they can pay or decide to pay the one-time membership fee of 35,000 rupees for the pharmacy colleges, and one-time membership fee of 25,000 for the business schools. Why I am telling all these things to you means only by becoming membership they can get assistance from our chapter, from our section to conduct symposium seminars on every year basis. By giving 25,000 you may get us aid for 5,000 every year. Even if you are putting one rupee interest, it will come only very less. So we are the engineering colleges are making more contribution, but we want to redistribute to all the colleges in the state. So in this juncture today we are having 4 big personalities. I have hijacked Mr. Prasanna Desai from the architecture convention to here to give the elite talk so that you can get motivated. And other 3 speakers, in that except Ananda Sainam, I know I enjoyed the speeches of Dr. Chandrasekar almost more than 100 times, and he will attract each and every student, and at the end he will take home with lots of memories of Chandrasekar and J.C. Nagarajan sir. Why I am telling this, they are all the renowned motivating speakers, and they have converted many of the students' life into a successful life. Including excellent institutions, many institutions are guided by Dr. Chandrasekar, and we always remember his services to excel. In future also, we always take his advices. By that, the students' community will get benefited. So with this, I would like to convey that the students, those who are coming here, you may browse the ISTE DNP website, go through the things, whatever may be the help, career guidance or assistance you want, we are ready to provide. And one more thing, if anybody wants to become an entrepreneur, now the Excel College of Engineering Technology has been sanctioned with the Technology Business Incubator by the Ministry of Small and Medium Enterprises to the tune of 65 lakhs. So only 3 days before we got the order. Anyone, irrespective of from any other college, any place, any degree, if you want to have any startup, please contact our EBS center. We are given in the newspaper and also in the website. We will surely provide you all the assistance, including the financial support. So once again, I congratulate the efforts taken by the Principal Dr. Manivannan, Dr. Amudan, Dr. Vimal Nishan and Dr. Arjun Karthik, because in spite of their annual day schedule, they have coordinated with Dr. Ganesan, and Dr. Ganesan also patiently did all the seal and certificates till yesterday evening and brought this on his own. So congratulations to each and every person and best wishes to you all. Thank you very much.